next question comes from Faral. Please.
I forgot to ask all the different naturopaths and people I went to, they give you some diet guidelines, and I was surprised to see all of those guidelines say stay away from dairy, stay away from milk. And that's something I've used all my life, and now I'm just wondering if you can throw some light on that, how important it is to not take any milk, or they say the only safe product is butter.
Well, I think, again, that's an individualized thing. Some people do have a sensitivity to dairy, and it's easy not to realize it when you do, actually. And if that's the case and you're consuming dairy, it's just going to bring your whole system down, you know, decrease your immune system, etc., will decrease how well you feel. The other issue with dairy is that it is high in saturated fat unless you use a low-fat dairy. So that's the other thing to think about. Because in general, reducing saturated fat is advisable.
Should be okay if you take like 1% organic milk?
That would certainly be a much better alternative.
Okay, I was thinking maybe it has something to do with cancer. The dairy part that everybody wants you to just totally avoid it?
Well, again, I think a lot of it comes back to the saturated fat content and also the just how frequent the dairy sensitivity is.
Okay.
Thanks very much for your questions. Thank you all. I would like to express my sincere thanks to Tracy Truant and Cheryl Proctor for this presentation on a very interesting topic that generated a lot of questions. And if you would like to listen again on this session, or you want to share this session with friends or colleagues, it will be available on YouTube. And just a reminder, our session on March 13th is on fatigue and chemobrain. And finally, I'll be sending you your evaluations. Please return them completed. Your feedback is important to us. And on behalf of Ovarian Cancer Canada, thank you all so much for being part of today's session.
Ladies and gentlemen, this concludes the conference call for today. Thank you for participating. Please disconnect your lines.